During today's lesson, we're going to be using lots of different materials, but they are all going to be round in shape. So your first task is to collect lots of round objects that are flat, that you can use. Think about different colours and different sizes in your collection. When you've got them, we'll join back together and we'll start the next stage. When we have collected all of our shapes, what we're going to do is thinking about layering the colours together. So you want to have contrasting colours, the ones which are completely different to ones that you're going to put it next to. For example, if I put silver on silver, it's too close to the same colour. So I might want to consider putting my silver and my pink together, or overlapping with black. So you can see the change in the colour here. You also need to think about the background that it's going behind. So maybe you want to use a colour like this. Alternatively, you might be using a piece of paper as your main background. What I'm going to do is use this white surface as my background. I'm then going to start mixing the different shapes and thinking about what colours can overlap together. So here you can see I've got a candle. I'm going to put on top of it my black lid. And thinking about the colours I have there, I have silver, a bit of blue, and I may even try, this is going to be a balancing act, to put silver. Oh, see, this is where we need to build our balance in. So that one's not working. I'm going to go with this lid on top. So here I'm starting to build these layers up together. So you can see here where I've got the ring with the blue, going in with the black, then in with some silver, and it's contrasting with my white background. So what you can do now is have a play with different colours and different setups that you might want to build in, still continuing to balance all of these materials on top of each other. So I'm going to use my lid for my candles now and think about what other things can I do. So a little bit of pink. It's a bit too big, you can't really see the pink inside. So I'm going to change that again. Let's start off with a little bit of white. You can still see the green surface around it. You can see because the camera is here, it is distorting the angle that we have for this one. So if I spin it around, you'll see that the colours are very much central, and I can continue building that up. So you need to think about your positioning as well and how that's going to support you to do this. I can then start building in layers around it. So if I take this one out, I can possibly build this. Ooh, is Miss Jones going to do it? Is it going to balance? Is it going to balance? There we go, it's balanced. So I might think about building that background colouring and then thinking about how it's going to go. Okay. So what you want to do is take some time to play around with this and see which is the best one that you can do. Once you've done, what you need to do is then take a picture and then see how close it is to the artist's work. So let's go and have some fun.